Okay guys, let's taste it, this tea that I made it for you. Actually, this is my everyday drinks. Ginger and red dates with longan tea. So this is good for this winter season, guys. So if you have time, try it, and I'm sure you will like it. So let's take this. It's good, guys. So you try this, and I'm sure you will like it. So that's all, guys, for today. Okay. Hello, by the way, it's me, Vishan. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like my video. And for the more information about the tea, the benefits or everything, you can please read the description below and try it, and I hope you like it. So, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for you to be notified for more video. Okay, so thank you guys, and see you to my next video. Bye.